is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo, igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kite, kite. Kite. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, 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 moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Nose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin, violin. Violin. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, 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 yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?
Kids, today we learn water animals. No one dolphin leaps with a joyful flip, riding the waves like a sailing ship. Dolphin, dolphin. Number 2, starfish sticks to the ocean floor with 5 strong arms and much to explore. Starfish, starfish. No 3, sea turtle glides through the blue with the shell so strong and a heart so true. Sea turtle, sea turtle. No 4 whale sings with a mighty song, his voice echoing all day long. Well. No 5, seahorse sways with the courage bull in a spiral dance so small and cool. Seahorse, seahorse.
That was great. Let's do this again. Five senses, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, I can see with my eyes. I say you see me, I like look around, see. 2, can hear with my ears. Stomping feet and clap hands. Sound are all around. Here. 3, I touch, feel with my my skin, I feel hot, I feel cold, soft and rough. Touch, 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 for I can taste with my tongue. I taste the food like that. Salty, sour, and sweet taste, taste type. I can smell with my nose. I can smell things. Itchy, pleasant, I chew. Smell, 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 senses, senses. Let's explore senses. We all have five senses. Let's do this again.
This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, the color green, green, green. This is green, the color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white, 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 white. This is white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is
Where today we learn opposites word. Big, big, big and small. Small, small, big and small. Big hot air balloon. Small balloons. Cold, cold, cold and hot, hot, hot. Cold and hot, cold and hot. Cold ice cream and hot tea. Tall, tall, tall and small, 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 small. Tall and small. Tall giraffe and small rabbit. Open, open, open and close, close, close. Open and close. This door is open. This door is closed. Outside, outside. The door is sitting outside the kennel. Inside, inside. The door is sitting inside the kennel. Inside and outside. Let's learn opposite word again.
A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe.
Giraffe. H is for horse. Horse. Ha 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 ha. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. I. Igloo. J is for jam. 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 K is for kite. 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 L is for lion. Lion. Leo. M is for moon. 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 N is for nose. Nose. Noose. O is for orange. 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 P is for pig. 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 Q is for queen. 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 R is for rose. 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 S is for star. 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 T is for tiger. 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 U is for umbrella. 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 V is for violin. 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 W is for well. Well. X is for xylophone. 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 Y is for yo. Yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Learning planets in the sky: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Learn again: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Eight planets in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Eight planets in the sky. Learning planets in the sky: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Learn again: Mercury, Venus,